My favorite, most hated Haitian food is soup pan. I'm sorry. I love me some soup pan. I know a lot of people hate soup pan. Soup pan for my Americans is bread soup. Bread soup. It is what it sounds like, okay? But the ingredients make it taste amazing. Y'all might think I'm crazy because of what I've been saying lately on TikTok, but these items, these juices, they're really good. It's just the name sounds wild. But I love me some bread soup. Soup pan is so good, and I know kids hate it. Like back in the day, they hated soup pan. But me, when they make some soup pan, I'm ready. I'm ready to eat me some soup pan. But I don't know. I just love it. So yeah, that's my favorite, most hated Haitian food. Yeah. Not too much in the comments, okay? Because it's good. It's good. Give it a try.